What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex. We're going to be going over Tesla stock and my strategy to kind of develop a nice, consistent way to make consistently monthly income. So we're going to be doing that with cash secure puts. So obviously, it's going to require quite a few thousands of dollars of collateral. This is a very expensive stock, sitting at under $800 per share. So this is going to be optimal for larger portfolios. And the reason why I want to kind of sell puts every month on Tesla is because I do want. It's kind of hard to manage a whole bunch of smaller positions. As we can see here, we have a ton of cash gear puts and covered calls on a bunch of smaller price stocks. But basically, it's just a lot harder to manage when you have so many positions open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to free up some collateral and throw like a huge chunk of money into weekly or monthly Tesla cash geared puts. So a way so I can generate some income. Every month Tesla's paying some pretty good premiums. I could also do it on the SPY, but I'm looking to do some higher price stocks, and those are going to be my main two that I'm looking at. Tesla and SPY. So we're going to be freeing up some collateral here, freeing up some cash, and we're going to be throwing in a few tens of thousands of dollars into Tesla because we don't really want to manage all these positions. Sure, a lot of them are doing pretty well, but it's just a little bit harder when you have dozens and dozens of positions open. So that's going to help free up my portfolio a little bit. And I do like Tesla, so I'm going to be playing some Tesla options um, in a bit. As we can see here, we have really nice uptrend on Tesla lately. Lows were around $550. So really nice support around 550, as we can see here, 550, 540 around there. You got some really good support, but we can see Tesla's been slowly stair stepping up. And I do think this trend is going to continue. I mean, Tesla is the global leader for electric vehicles as well as autonomous driving technology. Very good stuff with Tesla, and they're very far ahead of the competition, especially with their network of superchargers out on the road, which is very key for any electric vehicle manufacturer out there. I definitely need that stuff. So Tesla, they've had years and years ahead of the game, so they're definitely trying to refine their products, and especially with the semiconductor shortage, it is hindering a lot of these automobile companies, especially Tesla. So once the semiconductor shortage ends, we don't know when that's going to end, but it definitely will end sometime within who knows when. But definitely in the future is going to end, and that's going to cause a lot of these automobile stocks to kind of like rise in price. That includes Tesla, Ford, NIO, a lot of these EV makers as well. A lot of manufacturers are definitely switching to the electric vehicle space, and Tesla is going to have a lot of competition, but I do believe Tesla is the global leader in that field. So Tesla's stair stepping up, really nice support at around 550, 540, and that's kind of the level we're going to be selling our cash cure puts at. So if we go over to the options chain, today is October 5th. So we want to sell. My goal is to sell cash cure puts every single month. So we're going to be doing monthly options. So we're going to head over to the November 5th expiration date, head over to sell put, and we're going to head down pretty far down the options chain, the strike prices. As you can see, there's tons and tons of premium to be collected on Tesla options. So we can go pretty far down out of the money. I want something with a pretty good high chance of profit. Um, as we saw earlier, really strong support at 550 and 540. And it's very, very unlikely that in 1 month Tesla drops say over $200 a share. And if it does, I don't mind picking up some Tesla at the cheaper price, say under $600. So You could sell a cash gift put at $600. You're gonna be collecting a really nice premium of $1,000. Chance of profit really high, 86%. Like we said earlier, very unlikely that Tesla is gonna drop $200 in a month. And even if it does, that's a really nice dip buying opportunity. So high chance of profit there. But I do want to be a bit safe. I don't really want to manage my disposition. So I'm going to do probably a 550 strike. As we saw earlier in technical analysis, strong support at the 550 mark. So I do think that if it does end up dropping that amount, um, I do think it's going to rebound. And I don't mind owning Tesla at $550 per share, which is currently $230 in the current stock price. So we need Tesla to stay above 550 by November 5th, and we collect our premium in full credit, $688. So that's going to be a pretty nice chunk of change, chunk of income that I'm going to be collecting every single month. A really high chance of profit, as we can see here, almost 90%. Delta is pretty low. Theta is pretty high. When you're selling options, you want a lower theta and a higher. You want a lower delta, higher theta. Theta is your time decay, how much the option is going to bleed out every single day. In this case, it's going to bleed out around $43 every single day. So that's going to be very nice for us. But I do look how far out of the money this strike price is, $550. Tesla hasn't been that low since let's see, since I think June or March. I think it might have been June when it dipped over here. So that was quite a while ago, and I do think that if Tesla ends up dropping that amount, it would be a really nice dip buying opportunity. We're pretty far out of the money, high chance of profit right here. And basically the goal is to put a lot of my money to use, collect some monthly income, and kind of free up my portfolio so I don't have as many smaller positions by putting a large chunk of money into a safer but bigger position so I don't have to manage so many at once. So that's my strategy going forward, selling Tesla options, collecting about 600, 700 every single month, and basically compound all this monthly income and sell more Tesla puts in the future or other higher price stocks. So that's about it for this video. If it helped in any way, please leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are on this strategy, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.